Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking three cards for your daily energies. So, this card denotes your strength, and this card is for what is really useful for you, your quality or your situation, whatever it is, guys, the energy here. So this is for what is your disadvantage or what is working against you, and these cards are for the changes that you need to do in order to get the outcome. These are for the changes, and this card is for the outcome, what is going to come out in your future, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed, guys, Gemini. So the first card for your advantage, Seven of Pentacles in reverse, and this is for your disadvantage, the Tower, and this is something that is really useful to you, guys. Three of Swords. Gemini, so with these cards, whatever that you have been doing till now, the efforts, so the results are coming your way, but what to do, you are thinking deeply within yourself. So you are considering many alternatives and approaches that you need to do in order to make things manifest. So that is working for you. So in any situation in your work, the way you handle things, way you approach any decision, you think in many ways. You think all the possibilities that you can do that particular work, then you decide. So you consider each and every option, so that may work to your benefit, guys. So that is the energy here. And maybe for some of you all, you are facing some major changes today, guys. Some things are changing drastically. Maybe some things at an emotional level, maybe with this person. You may be into some kind of quarrels or fight that may be giving you stress, or something is harming your ego even at work. Maybe somebody else is doing the job correctly, not you, and maybe something you did may not give that expected result, and you would have had a really what to say, an emotional, you would have felt really emotional, some kind of sadness because of that, a blow to your ego. Okay, guys, so you are what to say, having that suffering, so that may be working against you. So we need to understand, sometimes we get this bang or bangs or jolts just to what to say, from the universe to open our eyes towards some new pattern. We would have been in some old patterns. When we face some sadness or some sudden changes, a break, we just stop and we just see around ourselves. We see what is the situation, only then we come to an understanding. So we learn valuable lessons. So sometimes this being this emotional and stressed and the suffering may work against you, guys. So that is the energy here. And maybe you are also feeling lonely or alone. So sometimes in life you need to have that. So when you have that, you realize your real potential. So you may be feeling lonely, some of you all. Some kind of separation is there from your person because of certain reasons, maybe quarrels or some kind of misunderstandings, something. but that is necessary here, guys. Maybe it is working for your benefit. So this break is intended, it's working for your benefit for some of you all, guys. So that may be the energy here, Gemini. Let us see what you need to change, or what you need to do, guys, to change the stressful situation. The Chariot. This is the card for the change that you need to take up. 10 of Swords in reverse. So Gemini, what you need to do is you have to establish yourself. You have to have that self-confidence, maintain discipline, what you need to do today, and exercise that power and authority over yourself. Have that conviction and courage to do things that you need to do, guys. So that is the change that you need to do. So whatever obstacles you're facing, stress, struggles, emotional struggles, so you need to overcome all that with focus. So what you need to do today, what is your focus intent, those goals, so you should move forward towards that. So when you have a focus, you just give up all the stress and the emotional blocks that you're having within yourself. So that is what is the energy here, guys. So you need focus, so that is your future for a better tomorrow, guys. So let us see what is the outcome here, guys, with this card, Queen of Cups. So Gemini, with these cards, if you need to change yourself, if you change yourself, if you have the determination and conviction, just like I was saying before, you are going to reach a very clear cut thinking within yourself. So you are going to feel that guidance by the strength you have within yourself, that firm conviction in the way you do things, and you are not going to be impulsive. You are going to have that clear cut deep decisions that you want to make based on your clarity of your thought and the convictions that you have in your life, guys. So that is the reading, Gemini. So the overall energy here is that, guys, maybe you are facing certain stressful situations, certain struggles and obstacles today, and you're feeling really emotional, but you can overcome it if you have that focus, guys. What you need to do today and what is your plan of action. So your focus should be only on that, not on your stress or struggles. If you do that, you are going to really reach that phase where you take firm steps towards the goals you want to manifest in your life, and whatever you want to achieve, you reach it, guys. It manifests. Whatever you are expecting in your life is going to come towards you, Gemini. So that is the reading for today, guys. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated with you all, please give it a like and comment, and if you like, please let me know. I'll be doing more of such readings in future. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.